Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Biography. Today, we are going to learn English through the life story of one of the most loved actors in the world, Keanu Reeves. Many people know him from famous movies. Some people know him because of his quiet personality and kind heart. But behind his success, there is a story full of struggle, loss, hard work, and hope. In this video, you will learn simple English while listening to his journey. You will also learn new words naturally through the story. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Keanu Reeves was born on September 2, 1964. He was born in Beirut, Lebanon. His mother worked in costume design and entertainment. Costume means special clothes used in movies, theater, or shows. His father left the family when Keanu was still very young. This was one of the first difficult moments in his life. Keanu's childhood was not stable.
Stable means calm and not changing too much. His family moved many times and lived in different places. Finally, they settled in Canada. Settle means to stay in one place and start living there. As a child, Keanu was quiet and thoughtful. Thoughtful means someone who thinks deeply and carefully. He loved sports, especially hockey. For some time, he even dreamed of becoming a professional hockey player. Professional means doing something as a career. But life had different plans. School was not easy for Keanu. He changed schools several times. He also had trouble reading. Later, people understood that he had dyslexia. Dyslexia means a condition that makes reading difficult. Because of this, studying became harder. Some students feel sad when school becomes difficult. Keanu also faced challenges.
Challenge means a difficult situation that tests you. But he did not stop trying. He learned in his own way. He became interested in acting. Acting gave him freedom. On stage, he felt different. He could express emotions and become new characters. Express means to show feelings or ideas. Slowly, acting became more important than hockey. But something unexpected happened. His hockey dream ended because of injuries. Injury means damage to the body. This could have made him give up. Instead, he focused fully on acting. This decision changed his life. When Keanu was a teenager, he started performing. Perform means to act, sing, or present in front of people. He worked in theater and small television projects. Nothing came easily. He attended auditions again and again. Audition means trying to get a role in a movie or show. Many actors hear no hundreds of times. Keanu also heard many rejections. Rejection means not being accepted. But he kept going. This is an important lesson. Success does not always come quickly. Sometimes success comes after many small failures. Eventually, Keanu moved to Los Angeles. Los Angeles is famous for movies and entertainment.
Moving there was a big risk. Risk means doing something even when success is not certain. At first, he worked in small roles. Little by little, people noticed him. Then an important opportunity arrived. He acted in a movie that helped him become known. After that, more offers came. But that was not the end of the story. One movie changed everything. It was a funny and exciting movie that made Keanu famous.
People loved his style. They liked that he looked natural and relaxed. Suddenly, more people wanted him in movies.
Fame started growing. Fame means becoming widely known. However, success brings pressure. Pressure means stress or expectations. Many actors struggle after becoming famous. Keanu stayed calm. He continued working. He did not try to become flashy. Flashy means showing wealth or attention in a loud way. As his career grew, he acted in many different movies.
Some movies succeeded, some did not. This is normal in life. Even successful people have failures. Then came another important moment. Keanu acted in action movies that became very popular. Action movies include fighting, movement, and exciting scenes. He trained hard. Training means practicing to improve skills. People were surprised by his dedication. Dedication means giving a lot of time and effort. He wanted every scene to look real. This work helped him become respected. Respect means admiration from others. But while his career was growing, his personal life became difficult.
Very difficult. Keanu experienced painful losses. Loss means losing someone important. One of the hardest moments came when his relationship faced tragedy. Tragedy means a very sad event. His child died before birth. This brought deep sadness. Soon after, another painful event happened. Someone very close to him also passed away. Pass away means to die. These moments changed him. Many people wondered how he continued. How does someone keep moving after so much pain? Keanu did not talk loudly about his sadness. Instead, he stayed quiet and continued living. This does not mean he had no emotions. It means people handle pain differently. Handle means manage or deal with something.
Life became heavier.
Heavy here means emotionally difficult. Things were about to get much harder. Keanu also lost close friends. One famous friend was actor River Phoenix. Their friendship was meaningful. Meaningful means important and full of value. Losing friends affected him deeply. Yet he continued working, not because everything was okay, but because moving forward became part of his strength. Strength does not always mean power. Sometimes strength means continuing even when life feels difficult. Over time, something interesting happened. People started noticing not only Keanu's movies, they noticed his personality. Stories appeared about his kindness. Kindness means caring and helping others. Some people shared stories about him giving support to workers. Others talked about him spending time with regular people. Many fans admired this. Admire means to respect and look up to someone. One reason people connect with Keanu is because he appears humble. Humble means not acting superior. Even after becoming successful, he stayed simple. He often avoided showing luxury. Luxury means expensive and comfortable things. This surprised many people. People expected a big celebrity lifestyle. Instead, they saw someone quiet.
Someone normal. Someone human. But there was another huge moment coming. One movie series completely changed his career again. That movie was John Wick. John Wick became a worldwide success. Keanu trained for months, months of practice, months of action preparation. Preparation means getting ready. The movie showed his discipline. Discipline means controlling yourself and staying focused. Many people thought action actors use only special effects. Special effects means movie technology that creates scenes. But Keanu worked hard to perform many scenes himself. Viewers respected that. John Wick became more than a movie. It became a comeback. Comeback means returning successfully after difficulties. This showed something powerful. Your story is not finished after failure. Your story is not finished after sadness. Sometimes your next chapter becomes your strongest chapter. What happened next surprised everyone. Keanu became even more popular. Young people discovered him. Older fans stayed with him. People from different countries admired him. But despite success, he stayed quiet. He continued riding motorcycles. He continued reading. He continued living in a simple way. Simple does not mean easy. Simple means not making life more complicated than necessary. Another interesting thing about Keanu is his patience. Patience means staying calm while waiting. In interviews, he often speaks slowly. He thinks before answering. Many people find this refreshing. Refreshing means pleasantly different. Today, life moves very fast. People talk quickly. People chase attention. But Keanu reminds people that calm can also be powerful. There is another lesson in his story. Not everyone starts from perfect conditions. Some people face difficult childhoods. Some people struggle in school. Some people lose opportunities. But your beginning does not decide your ending. Keanu's life teaches this clearly. Imagine young Keanu, moving from place to place, having reading difficulties, losing dreams, hearing rejection. Could he imagine becoming famous one day? Maybe not, but he kept moving. Small steps became bigger steps. This idea is important for learning English too. Maybe English feels difficult. Maybe speaking feels scary. Scary means causing fear. Maybe you make mistakes, but improvement comes slowly. Every sentence helps. Every day matters. Keanu's journey reminds us not to stop. There is another part of his story people love, his generosity. Generosity means willingness to give and help. People have shared stories of him supporting others quietly. Quietly means without needing attention. He did not always try to make headlines. Headline means the main news title. Instead, he focused on actions. Actions often speak louder than words. This does not mean he is perfect. Nobody is perfect. Everyone has difficult days. Everyone feels tired sometimes. But his story shows that character matters. Character means the way someone behaves. Success without kindness feels empty. Kindness with success becomes inspiring. Inspiring means making others feel motivated. As years passed, Keanu continued acting. He explored different roles. Explore means try new things. He kept learning. Learning never really stops. That is another important lesson. No matter your age, you can continue growing. Growth means becoming better over time. Sometimes people think success means reaching one goal, But real success often means continuing to improve, continuing to stay kind, continuing to move forward. There is a question many people ask: why do so many people like Keanu Reeves? Maybe it is not only because of movies. Maybe people see something familiar, someone who struggled, someone who lost things, someone who kept going. That feeling connects people. Connection means feeling close or understood. His story gives hope. Hope means believing good things can happen. And hope is powerful, especially during difficult times. There is another lesson hidden in his life. You do not need to become loud to become successful. You do not need to copy everyone. Copy means imitate others. You can stay yourself. You can grow in your own style. You can move at your own speed. That message helps many people. Today, Keanu Reeves continues working and inspiring millions. But if we look carefully, the most important part of his story is not fame.
It is resilience. Resilience means the ability to recover and continue after problems. This word describes his journey well. Life gave him many difficult moments. He did not control all of them, but he controlled his response. Response means the way you react. That changed everything. Now, think about your own life. What challenge are you facing? Maybe exams, maybe learning English, maybe work, maybe fear. Remember this: progress is often quiet. Small steps matter. One day of practice matters. One page matters. One conversation matters. You do not need to become perfect today. You only need to continue. And that is exactly what stories like this teach us. Keanu Reeves became successful through years of effort, years of learning, years of struggle, years of not giving up. His life reminds us that difficult moments do not end the story. Sometimes they begin a new chapter. So today we learned more than English. We learned about courage. Courage means acting even when afraid. We learned about patience. We learned about kindness. And we learned that success is not only about becoming famous. Success is becoming the person you want to be. Thank you for spending this time with me and improving your English. I hope you learned new words and enjoyed this story. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, listen again and practice the new words. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.